To me, there's something admirable about the trait of human strength. We feel confident when we feel challenged by the workouts that we're doing. It elevates us personally to the next level. The Ultra Heavy LE set is the next chapter in the Crossrope story. Probably 3 or 4 years ago, I started having customers within the community ask, what's next? Hey, I've done the 3-pound rope, can we do heavier? I was convinced at the time that 3 pounds was as heavy as the ropes needed to get. It would be an adequate or extreme challenge for most who used them. And over the past couple years, as I have personally seen the improvement in the ability level improve for so many people within the community, within the jump rope movement, I started to rethink whether now was the right time to introduce the heavier rope. This is specifically for those within the Crossrope community who have weighted ropes, they are proficient, and they feel like they are for the next challenge. So I am actively dissuading people who say, hey, this looks like fun, I'd like to try that, or I'm up for the challenge. This is really only for those who have experience with weighted ropes that are ready for the next level challenge. And I'm comfortable saying that. It's not about getting as many of these sets out there. This is really a thank you to the community, saying that we're listening and we want to provide that next thing that they're asking for. And so I want to lead off in thanking all of you in the community for being the inspiration for me to consider this next chapter in the Crossrope story. The Ultra Heavy LE set comes with weighted handles. It comes with a 4-pound rope and a 5-pound rope, so that any one of you that's ready for that next challenge can take this set and bring your strength, conditioning, and endurance to the next level. Now, I'll talk really quickly about some of the interesting features and benefits that are different from this and any other rope. Of course, it always starts with the handles, and in the past, I've spoken out against having weighted handles. For any of you that have followed along, you've heard me say, hey, it's about the weight in the rope, not the weight in the handles. So hey, Dave, what's going on? You got weight in these handles. Well, the reason why is because if you've got weight in the handles with a light rope, it reduces your ability to feel that light rope, and you're not moving the handles a lot, so that you're not getting the benefit of the weight like you would when the weight of the rope is rotating around you. However, when you get these ultra heavy ropes that are 4 and 5 pounds, you're gonna wanna have a little weight in the handle to help counterbalance the movement. So I meticulously tested multiple different weights of handles to find the perfect handle weight that felt like it was appropriate for the massive challenge that the 4 and the 5 pound ropes give you. So these handles have a really cool diamond plate grip design. We did a black matte finish to make it really feel hard-edged, industrial, and speak to those of you who are hardcore in your jump rope workouts. On the ropes itself, with the 4-pound and the 5-pound rope, they're the next logical progression from the 3-pound Titan rope, which so many of you already love and train with, and I know that you're gonna be ready for the 4 and the 5-pound. This Ultra Heavy limited edition set is for those of you who like the grind, like the challenge, are ready to work hard and get to the next level.